There are few things in Clash Royale more satisfying than a great prediction play, being 2 steps ahead of your opponent for a big game-changing moment. But a prediction's not just about throwing log behind your hog rider for a skeleton army, it's about using the information you get in a match to apply later. Here we go, my opponent P.E.K.K.'s behind King Tower, I go Miner Bats opposite lane, and he counters with Electro Spirit. Nothing too fancy here. So now I reset, play my defense, and I'm going to throw Bats on this same P.E.K.K.A one more time, and go for the exact same counter push on that left-hand lane with the Miner. Check this out. He counters the exact same way with that Electro Spirit in the same spot. Use information you get to gain a competitive advantage later in the game. I wait for him to P.E.K.K.A again. I go Miner Bats, but this time log to predict that Electro Spirit and get a huge game-changing amount of damage. He has to say well played. That's how you do a prediction. Use that info to get a big-time game-winning moment.